I'm sitting here with Joan van Wijngaard. Jy het hierdie produk en ek geniet hierdie produk ongelooflik baie. What is this?
Yeah, so this is a vegan collagen peptides, different to any other collagen on the market. It actually absorbs, you get those vegan amino acids along with spermidine, and within 10 minutes you're going to see an instant hydrating and plumping effect of your skin. It's very, very nice, very, very soothing. This morning actually somebody that I ran with said to me he used this after sunburn and he couldn't believe it.
Maar nou, so jy sit dit aan, moet jy dit afval weer?
Nee, it's a leave-on mask. So after washing your face, preferably in the morning, you put a thin layer on and you leave it on because you're going to see the results within 10 minutes and it's perfect under your other serums, creams or even makeup.
Wow. Ek gebruik hierdie. Baie dankie daarvoor. Is amazing. Kry dit.